You're watching Twinneration X. Welcome back to Twinneration X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with BeautyFix, which
Yay.
I got, I think, 2 or 3 days ago, but
yeah, we just haven't filmed. I've been getting bit by a lot of mosquitoes. I don't know if mosquitoes ever get you guys.
she had her 15-year anniversary, so that's
that's
good.
something I did yesterday.
This is partly, the little photos, like partly, little papers partly dented, but I will give you that. Okay.
Beautiful model.
What is this? Is this like a polish?
Let's show it like the way it kind of like looks there.
But they kind of like... Can you... Does that tell you what this is? Is this a polish? Just a polish? This says Smith & Colt, and then it says...
no lacquer. Yeah, pamper your nails.
Forever fades fast. It's just so fat. I've never seen one, so...
yeah. This is pamper your nails
so
with
big.
long-wearing, high-shine color that resists chipping and fading. Color will vary. So it'll be a different color. Like in here, they're showing like a berry color.
And mine's Forever fades fast, I guess, is the color. But that's neat, because I'm starting to, like, do my own nails, and, I mean...
And I'm still getting mine done if my lady's open, which I don't really... Not that I don't like these ones, but they're kind of on the thick side. So.
And I shouldn't say start doing them, because, I mean, I don't get acrylic, so, like, I've always just done them, you know, for the last years or whatever, but...
I noticed it says, indulge me when life gets stressful, make caring for yourself a priority, whether it's taking time to renew your skin with a sheet mask or painting your nails. Small indulgences like the ones found in this month's box go a long way. So that's what the little thing is.
Okay, and then I have, is that Oribe? Oribe? I don't know if we've ever looked at how you say that up, but it's the Wave and Shine Spray.
It says it provides moisture and shine for tousled, beach-inspired waves without stiffness.
I'm like, I got my own waves without doing anything.
It's cool if it's like no stiffness.
Just kidding. Okay, and then, ooh, the lid was off on this. Okay, and this is Skin Iceland Oxygen Infusion Night Cream.
It says a powerhouse blend of glacial flower extract and peptides renews stressed skin.
Yeah, you said glacial flower extract, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Does it have, another part in there of that?
And then, I know this black stuff's like everywhere. The confetti or whatever. What's this stuff called? Stuffing, filling. And then Clarity RX Glimmer of Hope Shimmering Facial Oil, Replenish and Restore, number 4, I guess.
It says maintain luminous skin with this luxurious organic plant-based oil.
But I don't know if you guys can see the little black stuff on the
The powder.
Yeah.
You always get with
And
it.
then,
Did you read this part?
oh, it always says the same thing. We're here for the unbashful of the skin.
Oh, I
think
didn't
it says
know.
that.
Okay.
It's the same.
Didn't know if you said that.
This is really covered in the stuff.
Ooh.
The new, is it company? The new company or the new CO? Debloat Plus. Chronic bloating dietary supplement.
This says de-bloat food and prebiotic. It says find relief from stomach discomfort with a supplement that promotes gut health.
And I see it has turmeric in it, so that I like. It has ginger. I like ginger. Cinnamon bark powder. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Even this has powder on it.
And then is this the last thing, or
Yeah, that
is there
should
just
be the
more?
last.
It's got stuff on it. Eye or Image Skincare Eye Mask Hydrating Hydrogel Sheet Mask. So you guys can see all the little
And it says
powder stuff on it.
refresh dull and dehydrated skin with this hyaluronic acid infused facial sheet mask. This was all like skincare, right? Pretty much. Well, the polish.
So that's all of it, right? I think.
Yeah.
It's a lot of look at it.
I kind of miss this one for the stuff you get in it. But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways. Like the one I will put down below. You can follow that link. And
That's going on right now.
and see how you can join that giveaway. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.